Good afternoon and welcome back to another vlog here on Coaster Crazy YouTube channel. Yes, it is another bank holiday Monday for the King's coronation. I wasn't expecting to do anything today. However, I've come to Pages Park in Leighton Buzzard for the last day, the last hour, the last minute. You know how it goes, it's tradition, isn't it? Come to Tom Smith's Funfair here on Pages Park. Now this was the first thing I ever vlogged over 7 years ago when I started the channel. So it seemed fair enough to just come here. It's about just over 40 minutes to get here from where I live. And it's all caged up, there's yeah, quite a few rides here. So yeah, let's go in and have a look. I think you can buy bundled deals and stuff like that. I know the guys here very well. They've only got a few rides, it seems. Funhouse, games, the Dodgems at the back. I'm not sure if this is Tango, doesn't look like it. And the frogs, Martin Draper's frogs are here as well, so you can get token deals. 1 token is £1, 25 tokens for £20, 50 tokens for £40. Yeah, so you got all the usual stuff here. They've got like big price lists there, and they're showing you how much tokens are for certain rides. Yeah, pretty sure this is the last day, so I'll get my tokens and I'll get in and I'll get on some rides. Right, I was wrong. It is Tango.
Are you ready?
It didn't look like it. I don't know why I didn't say it looked like Tango, but it is Tango. Yeah, unfortunately Tom Smith's not here. They've taken the twister off. They said two nights ago. So the twister's not here, unfortunately, which is one of my favourite rides. But yeah, Tango's looking amazing. I just didn't recognise it. I don't know if these purple shoulder pads are new. But yeah, KMG Freakout. Oh, he's coming back. What's going on? Am I not in it? Am I not in? Yeah, I am now. Yeah, it just wasn't set right. He stapled me as usual. I've lost a bit of weight, obviously. First time I ever went on this, I didn't actually fit on it. I give the GoPro to the lad that work on it, and then yeah, here we go. And then I came back, and probably one of the only KMG rides I actually fit on. Here we go, Tango time.
Dance with the devil, dance with the devil. Are you ready to party, people?
They're on it now. They're on the telly.
We're not here to take part.
Here we go.
Take over.
In the air, we've got full air.
In the interest of safety,
Hold on to your pants.
Hold on to your pants. Right, let's ride it like a bad boy. Let's send it. Oh, this thing's mental. Oh, oh God. Oh, this thing's awesome. Let's go, let's go. Ride it like a bad boy.
wow, that was fantastic.
No, hey. Oh, it goes again. Oh God, here we go again. 3, 2, 1. Oh man! Woo! Yeah, I think it's got. Oh my God! Oh, holy crap! Woo! Oh, yeah, I think it's got new seats on it. Woo! Oh, bloody hell! Oh my God! Woo! Woo! Oh, there we go. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, my hair's a mess now. This ride's awesome. Yeah, I think they've got new seats on it.
And we hope to meet on board another flight.
I don't know why I didn't think it was Tango. Yeah, there's only a few rides here, unfortunately. I'll do the frog bounce and the Dodgems. I can't get off it now. Awesome ride. Oh yeah, what a top ride Tango is. Yeah, no idea why I come in here and said it wasn't Tango when it clearly is. Oh, what a machine. Awesome. Yeah, really nice to see the guys here. Yeah, unfortunately, the twist isn't here. We've only got a couple of machines here today. It's the last round, the last day. I have to get myself on the frogs in a minute because they'll be closing soon. Like I said, last day, last hour, last minute. Sorry. It's the way it happens with me sometimes. But yeah, Tango's amazing. You got the crazy frogs as well. And you got the Dodgems there. A couple of juvenile rides. And that's about it. Alright, time to send it on the awesome Martin Draper's Frogs. Yeah, you can tell it's the last day, the last hour, the last minute. They're starting to pull some of the attractions down. And the rides are still getting people on them. Tango's got another half a load. Woo! Oh my god! It's the first time I've done this ride this year. Oh, it's mad. Yeah, they have the Leighton Buzzard Light Railway here as well, the narrow gauge railway that we've done a couple of times. And we didn't actually used to live that far away from here, actually. It's absolutely good, you know. Ah! Oh my god. Ah! Oh, look at Tango going. I go to the Dodgems after this, and then obviously I'll make a move. Oh, oh my god! Here we go again! Oh my god! Get airtime on here! More airtime than Conda. Fact. We go backwards. Oh, a bit of madness. Here we go, don't know when we're dropping. Yeah. Here we go. Woo! Ah! Oh my god. Ah! 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 Oh, I didn't realise there's people behind me. Oh my god, what a ride. One of the best in the UK.
Exit this side, please. Exit.
Woo! Ah! 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 Oh my god! Boom! Boom! Oh! Ah! 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 Bloody hell! Ah! 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 Woo! Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh. Unbelievable! So good! I always say one of the best vlogs in the UK. That thing's awesome. Right, wait for riders. We're on. We're on. Hey, it's me, mate. You alright, mate? Not bad.
Still here.
You're still here, yeah.
Still alive.
Nice.
Going.
Yeah, oh yeah. Nice to see you, mate.
See you, mate.
Just a reminder, yeah, the Beaconsfield Chartered Fair. It's on Wednesday, isn't it? Yeah, this Wednesday. Although by the time this vlog's been on, it'd be too late because I've got like 3 more vlogs to edit before here. Yeah, I just had to turn my camera off because there's a lad over there. Apparently he's not allowed to be filmed. Probably a foster child or something. It's normally what happens with them. But yeah, one of my favourite Dodgems this. Get the token out. Got the police car. These are rapid, so I don't want a full track on here anyway. Get a good space. She started chucking it down again. They started packing up. People are still coming in and buying tokens. Well, they can't because it's just closed. But this family here have got a load of tokens to spend. Yeah, so Beaconsfield Chartered Fair. Probably can't make it this year. Due to work commitment, I don't get home till 8 o'clock. Well, these ones are really good. They've got the police car I'm in. Got the yellow taxis.
Come on, try to that children.
Here we go.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Here we go. She's on the phone.
Put your foot on the pedal and turn the
Huh?
wheel.
Woo!
Round the track, please.
Here we go.
No head on bumper, please.
Woo! Oh God! What happened there? There we go. Whee! These are rapid. Right, so quick. Oh! Oh! What's going on?
I think the rain's getting on the track, actually.
Yeah, I mean, yes. It won't go in a straight line. There we go. I'll stay away from that corner over there. Banging tunes. Oh man, I'm getting soaking. Oh, little girl's crying. Whee! Ah! Hey! That way! Oh! Whiplash! Yeah, there's not really any rules on this one. Oh! Yay! What a cracking set of Dodgems. I think it's time for me to go. Oh God, it's awful now. Yeah, they're packing the rides up. Yeah, taking the Helter Skelter down as well behind me there. Little kids' rides are being packed up. There's still quite a few people here. So yeah, you're on it. So yeah, it's cracking, that Dodgems, really, really good. Just a shame with the poor weather, you know, it's not massively overcrowded with people. But there's still people here, you know. Look at Tango now. What's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God, there's a massive queue of people waiting to go on there. About 12, 15 people just going on Tango there. Yeah, they normally have like a little arcade here as well, obviously the Twister. When I came 70 years ago, they had the Looper plane thing. Which I've only ever done once in, it's a very scary ride. But yeah, I think I've probably got to go. I'll probably walk over to the other end, stay away from that family over there that don't want to be filmed. But it's nice to see the guys here. I forget his name every time. The guy that runs the Dodgems, nice to see. Tim, I think it's called Tim, isn't it? Tim, that runs the Dodgems. Martin, who owns the 2 rides here, the Frogs and Tango. Haley over there behind me, I've had a chat with Haley. And the guy that runs that Calypso ride, Outbreak, he's over there. The last time I spoke to him, I don't think he knew who I was. That was at Beaconsfield last year. Yeah, he's over there. Yeah, Tim behind me. So yeah, they got a couple of kids' rides. They had a fun game, Tinkan Alley here. Helter Skelter's being pulled down. The top of that's been pulled down. And you go, oh, here he is. There's Tom Smith over here. It's his fun house. He's got his kids on there. There's Thomas and Henry. Yeah, that's it. That was the ground. I think the Twist was here. I think the Twist was in here. So yeah, that's probably it for me, really. I'll get the boys in. I'll get the boys in. I know, last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, last year about.
You're all right, lads. Well, get on with it then. You're slacking. You'll get sacked. Oh, is it?
Yeah, we had a do to do with it.
Oh yeah, I've been told. Yeah.
Right,
See you later, boys. You right, Tom? Yeah. Get the whip out. Get him told. So yeah, I'm gonna probably call it a day now. But yeah, nice to even come here. Like I said, the last time I actually came and did this ground was over 7 years ago. The first ever vlog I ever filmed was on this ground here. And it's a bit of a nostalgia. It's probably what I'll call a vlog. You know, T. Smith, seen Leighton Buzzard, anniversary special. I don't know. I'm started doing these little silly taglines on my vlogs now. I don't know if it works or not. But yeah, there you go. Pulling it down. But yeah, nice little fair here. Shame about the weather. There's not a massive amount of rides here, but what they've got is pretty good. Sad that it's the last day here. But like I said, they'll be pulling off and going to Beaconsfield Chartered Fair anyway. So yeah, I might get a bit of off-ride, depending on where that little kid's gone. I don't know if he's gone on the Tango because the parents don't want me filming him. Anyway, I'll probably call it a day anyway. Anyway, don't forget to do this on the side. Not like it makes a difference. So do that, yeah. Comment, like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for next time we'll upload another video. Give the video a thumbs up as well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.